get a little bit of what I got to offer. You're all don't be paying attention cause I'm slaughter. Whatever gotta be, whatever the balls. You don't wanna be an enemy, I'm wrecking you all, yes I'm a baller. Ain't nobody tighter than the Filipino Viking man. You wanna see how I write my name, you wanna see me in the cypher-in. You deciphering the shit I'm spitting. Man, you don't understand me, don't get too close, don't assume that we're family. Cause I know your fake friends can't stand me. The only real fan at your last show's your granny. They got a big head, I'm a fucking genius. Manila's outside, that's where my team is. Trying to speak the language, I can handle it. Girl, come to the city of the last penis. Did I say that right? Denial RC spitting game all night. Half Filipino killer of mics. Roll with me, I'ma change your life. Is anybody able to handle reality the way it really happens when it goes down like this? When the rest of this slick chicks, but like inside my tits.
This is fucking